transportation for each apple is 1. Okay, so cost price of including transportation, the cost price of each apple is 7. Okay, right. So what is our question? How much should he sell each to get a profit of rupees 10 on each apple? Okay, each apple cost price including transportation is 7, and that you need to gain 10 on each apple. So just plus 10 to this, we get 17. So he must sell each apple for 17 rupees. If you see that, option 3 is correct. Okay, once again see here, a fruit vendor bought 800 apples for 4,800. So after doing this, we get the apple cost okay, 6 rupees, and 800 spent on transportation means, so 800 rupees by 800 apples is equal to 1 rupee for transportation for each apple. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 rupees spent for apple. Okay, then you need to get profit of 10 rupees means just add plus 10 to the 7, we get 17. So option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question here. If x is to 6 as 6 is to y and y is to x as y is to 6. Okay, then which of the option below options below gives the correct value of x and y in the correct order? Okay, in that order. So x by 6 is equal to 6 by y. Okay, and x by y is equal to y by 6. So no need to calculate the mathematical terms here. By seeing itself, we can say that x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6. Okay, so x and y are 6 and 6. Option 3 itself correct. Okay, right. Next, see the question here. The floor of an office has the dimensions 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Okay, the floor of an office has dimension 5 meters and 3 meters. The cost of painting the walls and ceiling. Okay, the cost of painting the walls and ceiling is 7,440. Okay, so at the rate of 60 rupees per meter square, find the height of the room in meters. Okay, approximately a decimal point. Okay, right. See, they given the floor dimensionals, that is 5 meters and 3 meters, and they given the total cost of painting for walls and ceiling. Okay, walls to side walls and ceiling. Okay, right. See here. So what is that cost for meter square is 60. So just divide the cost, total cost by per meter cost. So you get 0 0 cancel, 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 twos are, and here 24 is 6 fours are. Okay, 24 meter square is there. Okay, so 124 meter square is there. Okay, 124 meter square. What is this? 124 meter square is the total surface area which was painted. Okay, total surface area which was painted. What are the total surface area? So if a house, if a office has 4 walls, okay, and 1 ceiling, so that is, we can, by calculating that one wall is 5 meters length, we don't know the height. Okay, so this type of walls are 2 plus another wall as 3 meters and we don't know the height. Okay, right, plus, and ceiling, ceiling as same dimension as a floor. Okay, so that is 5 into 3. Okay, so is equal to total surface area. Okay, so 2 into 5 meters into height, we don't know the height. Okay, so there are two walls here, two walls plus one ceiling is equal to, we find the meter square, that is 124 meter square. Okay, so 10 meter 10. Okay, here we get 10 h plus 6 h plus 15 is equal to 124. Okay, so 16 h is equal to 124 minus 15. So we get 0, 109, 109. So h is equal to 109 by 16. Okay, so h is equal to 109 by 16. 16 we get 6 point something. We get 6 point something. See the option 1 itself is correct, 6.8. Okay, option 1 itself correct, 6.8. So 109 divided by 16, we get 6.8. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question here. Okay, if each of the digit in the number given below is arranged in descending order from left to right. Okay, so from left to right. Okay, what will be the sum of the digit that are second from the left? Okay, second from the left and third from the right in the new number thus formed. Okay, the number is given 25981 2357. So what is our question? The number must be arranged from left to right in descending order. So then what is the question? Thus what will be the sum of the digit that are second from left and third from the right? So first of all, we arrange the number in descending order. So here we have the digit, that is highest digit 9. Okay, and we have another 8. Okay, right. No need to write all the numbers from the left, just write the numbers from the right. Why? Because they asked the question, what will be the sum of the digits if we add from left to, okay, from the left to 2, that is 8, and third from the right. So third from the right, if we are doing descending order, so first will come from the right, then after here 2 is there. Okay, 2 is there, and here one more 2 is there. Okay, 2 is there. So no need to write in middle the numbers. Okay, so this is the number second from the left, and this is the number third from the right. So if we do the sum, we get 10. Okay, right. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct, 10. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. 6 doctors K, L, M, N, O and P. K, L, M, N, O and P are sitting in a straight line. All are facing north direction. Okay, all are facing north direction. Okay, north direction. Only O is sitting between N and L. Okay, only O is sitting between N and L. Okay, we have two cases for this. Okay, first case is like this, and second case is, so between L and N only O is there. Okay, two cases. Only P is sitting between L and K. Only P is sitting between L and K. Okay, here also we have two faces are there. Only P is sitting between L and K. Okay, L and K. Okay, only P is sitting between L and K. K sits fifth to the right of M. Okay, K sits, see here, K sits fifth to the right of M. Okay, M is here, first right, second right, third right, fourth right. Here, what is the number? That is alphabet K. Okay, so total here 6 doctors. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Okay, so if he get K here, there is no possibility of writing K is the immediate left of P. So we can write like this P L. So take this case 1, L O N. Okay, this is the seating arrangement they given in the question. Okay, so what is our question? Who is sitting to the immediate right of M? Okay, who is sitting immediate right of M means N is sitting immediate right of M. Okay, N is sitting immediate right of M. Okay, right, next question. Okay, see the question. The average of two numbers is 26. Okay, the average of two numbers is 26. One of them is 12. One of them is 12. Then find the other. So the average of two numbers, is what is 26? In that they given one number. So one number is 12. Then what is the other number? Okay, so the average of two numbers is 26. They given one number, then we need to find other number. So 12 plus x2 is equal to 52. So x2 is equal to 52 minus 12. So x2 is equal to 40. The other number is 40. Okay, the other number is 40. Next question. Option 1 is correct. Right, see the question here. Which of the following number will replace the question mark in the given series? They given the series 5, 6, 14, 45, 184, and here they given a question. Okay, if you see that here, by seeing itself we can say there is a multiplication pattern is given. So just see 5 into 1 plus 1. So we get 5 into 1 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, and see here 6 into 2 plus 2. 6 2 is 12 plus 2 14. Next 14 into 3 plus 3. 14 3 is 42 plus 3 we get 45. So 45 into 4 plus 4. Okay, so 45 into 4 180 plus 4 we get 184, and next number will come 184 into 5 plus 5. So 184 into 5 we get 2 nines 2 2 twos. So 9 20 plus 5 we get 925. So in the place of question mark they get 925. Here get 925. So into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5. They are increasing by 1. Okay. So according to this logic, option 2 is correct. 925 is correct. Next question. Right. See the question here. A dealer sold 1/3 of his goods at 25%, and the remaining at cost price. What is his loss or gain percent in the whole transaction? So once again see the question. A dealer sold 3/5 of his goods at 25%. Okay, at 25% gain. Okay, so and remaining at cost price. what is his loss or gain percent in the whole transaction. So first of all, see that they are gaining 25% and 60% of goods, and the remaining 40% of goods is sell at cost price. So they are at profit gain percent. Okay. So see here, suppose the goods cost price of they are 100 goods, suppose consider the total are 100 goods, the cost price of goods is 100. Okay. So in that they sell 60%. Okay. Why? Because 3 by 5 means 3 by 5 means if you convert into 100%, so they are 60%. Okay. So the cost price of goods is suppose 100. So in that they are sent 60% at 25% profit. See here. So what is the 25% of 60? Okay. So see here. What is the 25% of 60? So 1's 4's 4 1's 15. So on the 60% of goods, again 15 rupees. Okay. Are you getting? Right. So next 40% of goods is sold at 40 itself. Okay. Right. So what is the percentage occurred on total transaction means? So if you see that 60 plus 40 is equal to 100% of goods is sold, but he get 15 rupees more. Okay. So total profit is 15. Okay. Total profit is 15% gain. So once again, see here, I will explain once again. See here, a dealer sold 3 by 5th of his goods. Okay, let us say his goods are 100. Okay, in that each cost of good is we are considering 1 rupee. So he sold 3 by 5 of 100. Okay, 3 by 5 of his goods. 3 by 5 of his goods means, so 60 goods is sold at 25% profit. So means 25% of 60, 25% of 60 is equal to 15. So he sold these goods at 15% more. Okay. So right. So here remaining 40% of goods is sold for 40 itself. So total 100 sold and he gained 15% profit. Okay. So option 1 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. See here, Vishal is standing in a park facing the south direction. Okay. See here, Vishal is facing towards south direction. He then turns clockwise 90 degrees. Okay. So Vishal is standing in a park facing south direction. Vishal is facing south direction. He then turns 90 degrees clockwise. So here to here, the clockwise 90 degrees means he came to west here. After that, he turns 45 degrees clockwise. So here to here, first 90 degrees is there. After that, here to here, he move 45 degrees. So here. Okay, right. So in which direction he is facing now? So that is the direction of northwest direction. Okay. So Vishal is facing towards south direction. He turns 90 degrees here. He turns 90 degrees and then after he turns 45 degrees clockwise. Okay. Clockwise. Right. So he is facing northwest. Okay. Option 1 is correct. He is facing northwest direction. Next question. See the question here. Select the option that represent the letters that when placed from left to right in the same sequence in the blanks below will complete the letter series. See the series what the given is Q, W and blank is given, R, blank, S, X, E and blank is given, Q, blank E or Q, Z, E and one blank is given. First of all, count how many letters are there, okay, including blanks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here the total letters in the series are 16. So 16 must be divided into two parts, that is 8, 8, or it can be divided 4 parts, that is 4, 4, 4, or it can be divided, that is 2 parts, okay, that is 8 parts. So first of all, see, is there any relation up to 8 parts? Means we don't find. If you see that if the set is divided into 4 parts, so like that, see here Q, W, dash, R. Okay, once again count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if you see that here, if you see I am dividing according to 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 S and 1, 2, 3, 4 S. If you see that I am dividing 4, 4, in that every first letter is Q, 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 just fill here Q, okay, right. Next, if you see that the third letter in each set is E, 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 okay, I am filling E. And if you see that here, we need to find the second letter here. So W, X, Y, Z. So the second letter is increased to plus 1. So W, X, Y, Z. What about the third letter? If you see that here, fourth letter, if you see that here R is there, here R is there is no change in that R. Okay. So what is the given E, Q, R, Y, R. Okay. So E, Q, R, Y, R. Okay. See which option will correct is, okay, E, Q, R, Y, R. Option 3 is correct. Okay. Option 3 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. In the given letter cluster pairs, the first letter cluster is related to the second cluster following a certain logic. Study the given pairs carefully and answer the options. Okay. See here what is the logic is given. Here S, T, M is written as R, U, L and P, J, R is written as O, K, Q. If you see that here P, Q, R, S, you are doing minus 1. Okay. S, T, U, okay, you are doing plus 1. And L, M, here doing minus 1. Okay. S minus 1 R, T plus 1 U, M minus 1 L. Here also plus 1, sorry, here M, N, O, P, here minus 1, P, O, okay, here minus 1, I, J, K plus 1, R, Q, so Q, R minus 1, okay, so minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, okay. So if you see that which option will satisfy the condition, first check the option 1, T, C, S, okay. So here in middle we get plus 1, yes correct, D is correct, and if you see that we get minus 1 here, so minus 1 means yes, S is correct. Here also minus 1, P, Q, or Q is there, QRS, okay, RS. So TCS can be written as SDR, okay. So what is the logic? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, okay, right. So option 1 itself correct, no need to check the other options, right. See the